Hello everyone, sasagutin ko lang yung tanong ng isang teacher regarding sa camera ng kanyang student. So, ganito kasi yung nangyari sa kanya. May class na siya, tapos yung student ay hindi nagto-turn on ng kanyang camera. She is giving instruction po na i-turn on yung camera ng student. So, ganito po teachers, if in case na mayroon tayong mga students na ayaw mag-open ng camera, hindi po natin sila dapat pilitin na mag-turn on ng kanilang camera. Okay lang po on their end na naka-off yung camera nila. For us naman teachers, sa atin naman mga teachers, hindi yun pwede na tayo po yung mag-turn off ng camera. At saka kasi before, yung system ng AC, pwede siyang i-off. Ngayon ay hindi na ma-off talaga yung camera natin. Or if in case naman na yung camera natin ang hindi nagfa-function, hindi po yun pwede. QQA po tayo if in case na hindi tayo makita ng student. So again, pakatandaan natin para naman wala tayong maging complaints kasi they have the freedom to turn on and off their camera. Kasi mayroong mga student talaga na nahihiya magpakita, or maybe that particular student is well assisted by the parent kaya naka-turn off po yung camera. Okay? So, wag lang natin silang pilitin. Alright? And by the way, yung camera po natin, of course, nasa harapan po natin siya, right? Mas okay po, teacher, na straight talaga tayo sa center. Nakatingin po tayo straight sa camera at hindi doon sa face ng bata dito sa AC. Kasi ang angle kasi nun sa AC is wala kayong eye-to-eye contact with the student. So, parang nakatagilid kayong tumingin kasi tinitignan mo yung mukha ng student. From time to time, okay naman natignan si student, pero most of the time, dapat talaga na nasa harapan yung ating paningin para bang nakikipag eye-to-eye contact po tayo sa student. Mas closer and friendlier and clearer yung mga instructions and teaching natin if we look at straight to the camera. Masasanay rin naman tayo doon. Yan po yung orientation namin, of course, doon sa FT. At saka, we find it effective. So, that's one tip para na maging okay yung communication natin with the student. And of course, let us not forget to always smile. Always smile talaga tayo sa mga student para na they will not hesitate to answer because you are setting up a friendly environment and communication with your student if you are always smiling. Okay? Thank you so much. That's all for today. And if you want to be one of my referrals, ganun pa rin teachers, you can message me here in TikTok or in my Messenger account. And if you have some concerns, don't hesitate to comment down below. Bye-bye. Thank you. And God bless your teaching journey here in 5-1 Talk.